Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills.
So William said, why do these top traders be telling us to go to the prop route, knowing that they didn't go that route? All right, so about the prop firm stuff, right? It's not impossible. All right, it's not impossible to get that done. It's very hard though, especially if you're not a consistent trader. If you have not been consistent, if you have not seen yourself double your trading account in a demo account, if you have not witnessed that in your own account, how do you expect to pass a prop firm account? It's not impossible, but really use your common sense there. You're winning and losing and losing and losing and winning, breaking even, losing, blowing the demo accounts. How are you going to throw $1,000 in a prop firm challenge and pass it? And they're giving you strict rules to follow. You know, like that's what I say. Like, step one, prove to yourself that you can actually double your account in your demo account. Prove to yourself first before you throw any real money, before you do anything with real money. People is going out of order. And then all of a sudden it's a scam. And then they don't get no education. They don't get no help, no nothing. They just trying to just scour the internet and try to find whatever strategy at work. And it's just not like that. It take years to figure this out. All right. So now let's say you've pretty much, you're a good trader now. It's been 3, 4, 5 years and you're pretty much a decent trader now. Okay. And you have pretty much doubled your demo account. Then you can go ahead and try to do the prop firms. But the thing is with that, read through the fine print on their website to know what their rules are. All right. So a prop firm that I think is decent would be Seacrest Funded. Have y'all heard of Seacrest Funded? But you know what? They just changed their name. Why did they do that? Have anybody heard of Seacrest Funded? But they just was called MFFX. I don't know why they changed their name. But I mean, I'm in their Discord, so I see a bunch of people in here making money, you know. So they got a payout feed. I can pass evaluations easy. It's the funded part that I keep failing. Yeah, so hey, look. This is what I say. Learn how to trade whatever instrument you're going to use. All right, whatever commodity, whatever you're going to use. I trade forex. Master it. All right, master it. Master your method of trading. Master your strategy. Just don't jump around. All right, don't jump around. Just master like one thing for a while, one or two things, and then kind of keep leveling up your education. So master it, right? It might take you 5 years. All right, this forex stuff, and even if forex goes away, futures will be around. All of this stuff that we do is going to be around because that's how the money moves the world. So there's going to be some sort of trading around. You know how we read the charts? Like, check this out. How we read the forex charts and trend lines and supply and demand. Isn't that the same way how they mark up cryptocurrency charts? Cryptocurrency comes out of nowhere and they mark it up the same way, and it bounces off the levels, right? So then don't worry about it. You just need to master how to trade, period. I mean, you need to master your technical analysis, how supply and demand works, because that's what it is. It's people and institutions putting this money on these supply and demand levels. You need to know how to read those. All right. You need to learn candlestick patterns. All right. You need to master support and resistance, all that stuff. Right. You need to master Fibonacci, all the stuff that I teach. So no matter what happens to forex or stocks or whatever, it's all got to be the same way, or it's going to be close to it. Somebody said, do I think forex is going to go away? No. The only way forex is going to go away is if they have a one world currency type situation. And I don't know what that's going to look like. If the Japanese yen have their own currency, and then we're doing business as the United States dollar, doing business with Japan, and we have our own currency. You put those together, that's foreign currency. And we just get to see that in the form of candlesticks. I don't think it's going to go away unless all of the countries merged together under one currency. That's my take on it. What's y'all take on it? Once you learn a skill, it's game over. The market will never go away, at least not in this timeline. Man, this thing been happening way before us. I mean, since trading been, what, the 50s? I mean, was trading going on in the 50s? Hey, Siri. Was trading forex going on in the 50s? The 18th century, Amsterdam established a stable forex market. Amsterdam. In 1880 was the beginning of the modern foreign exchange as JM, whatever that name is, permission to evolve in the foreign exchange market. 1900s to 1950s, that's what I was saying. In 1902, London foreign exchange brokers began operating, and majority of the exchanges were conducted using the British pound. That was 1902. Japanese candlesticks are way older than that. So what? It's just going to stop right now because we're here? Because William Baker finally made it? It's going to stop now. Ryan Glaze. Shout out to Ryan Glaze. He just joined the chat. He probably been trading for a couple years now. The forex market is going to go away now because Ryan Glaze joined. It's like, nah, man. It's going to be around. Like I said, as long as these countries have their own currencies and they're doing business together, it's money to be made. The system was never broken. It was built this way. The 2008 crisis didn't reveal a broken system. It showed us the system working as designed. And it was showing us how it was designed for those at the top. Deregulation, risky derivatives, and moral hazard weren't accidents. They were features masked as bugs. That's the system we're talking about. So the 2008 financial crisis is what I'm talking about. The 2008 financial crisis was a system failure. As they say, a system failure. They say, here's the truth. The system wasn't broken. It was built that way. They said Wall Street didn't collapse because someone made a mistake. It collapsed because the rules allow banks to gamble with trillions in made up money. That wasn't a glitch. It was a blueprint, they said. Same thing in 2008 going to happen in private equity like BlackRock. Making a trade smart right now. It was made to break people through inflation and taxation. It was made for the people at the top to keep low class people at the bottom. Y'all spitting that game right now. Y'all spitting that game right now. All right, this stuff ain't going nowhere. The reason why I brought that up is because that's how they move. They want that dirty money. They want that money. They gonna kill who they want to kill. They gonna move around and be sneaky however they want to do it. But we got access to it now. You know, we couldn't trade forex like we do now back then, but we got access to it now. So hopefully we here to stay.
Pips pay my bills. Pips pay my bills.